Did you know a philosophy book saved a man's life through 7.5 years of torture? Admiral James Stockdale was shot down over Vietnam in 1965. He spent over 7 years in brutal prison camps, 4 years in complete isolation, tortured again and again. But before deployment, he had studied an ancient philosopher named Epictetus. He never thought those dusty old books would matter. When guards tried to break his mind, Stockdale remembered the Stoic teachings. He focused only on what he could control, his responses, his values, his mental state, not his captivity, not the torture, not when he'd be freed. He created what we now call the Stockdale paradox. Have absolute faith you'll survive. But face the brutal reality without false hope. Through secret tap codes, he taught other prisoners these same principles. Dozens survived because of ancient wisdom. The Stoics knew something we forget today. You can't control what happens to you, but you can always control how you respond. That choice is your power, and no one can take it away.